The vision and mission was very definitive. A mission to bring to the population evidence-based products, cutting-edge research that has been shown to help with many of the problems that we're facing today. The acute disease model, the medical field is tremendous. The chronic disease model does not work with the acute disease model. So the chronic disease model has been falling apart in the medical field to get to the root of the problem, the underlying root problems that are at the forefront of chronic diseases today. That's the vision and mission of bridging a very wide gap, working with the medical field, whether it's in the field of infertility, whether it's pediatrics, whether it's neurology, whether it's cardiology, whatever field of medicine. In the field of infertility, there are a lot of couples today that are having a lot of challenges in getting pregnant. When a woman is not getting pregnant already, they're running to do procedures, whether it's an IVF procedure. So basically what I am doing in that field is bridging medicine and nutrition, whether it's with a high-risk OBGYN, whether it's a reproductive endocrinologist, and understanding where they come from and try to be an extension, an arm of the nutritional field to that medical field. That is bridging the gap between medicine and nutrition. If it's the field of cardiology, what is the root problem? The heart attacks, strokes is the #1 killer today among men and women. 50% of heart attacks have normal cholesterol. The medical field gets very involved in cholesterol, HDL, LDL, triglycerides, and medications, but it doesn't really get to the root of the problem. According to Dr. Mark Penn, who was at Cleveland Clinic and started Cleveland Heart Lab, which was eventually bought out by Quest Diagnostic, the emphasis, 50% of the people that have a heart attack and stroke, the unexpected heart attack and stroke, is not from the cholesterol. It could be normal cholesterol. It's coming, how inflamed are the arteries? We're living in an era of inflammation. Inflammation is at the root, is a very big part of every chronic disease, whether it's mental illness, whether it's physical illness. How is NutriSupreme, Mediterranean Balance, how can we be an extension of that field of cardiology? Because if there is showing very clear markers, biomarkers of inflammation, working together with the medical field with diet, the Mediterranean diet, with sometimes supplements to help augment this diet in order to reduce the biomarkers of inflammation. Stroke, the same thing with mental illness, the same thing with infertility. Bridging this gap between medicine and nutrition, the vision and the mission. I can work with a reproductive endocrinologist in California. I can work with an endocrinologist in upstate New York and work together with them. I've had couples come to me and this one has a thyroid problem, this one has a progesterone problem. That goes to the medical field. But how can the intervention of diet and nutritional supplements that is evidence-based help to get the success of the medical field together with this field? This is the vision and mission.